Once upon a time, in a magical forest where animals could talk, a cow was peacefully grazing on the grass. Suddenly, a huge lion came and stay tuned to find out what happened. Hello friends, welcome to this exciting video where we will learn how to craft captivating fable stories with a moral. I am here to guide you through a 5-step formula, complete with examples that will help you create your very own fables that resonate with readers. So let's get started. What is a fable story? A fable story is a powerful storytelling technique that uses animals as characters to teach important life lessons. These stories often feature talking animals who engage in conversations. One of the most famous story is the tortoise and the rabbit. In this tale, the slow but steady tortoise wins over the fast but overconfident rabbit, teaching us the significance of persistence and consistency. To create an engaging fable story, we will follow a simple 5-step formula. Step 1. Define the characters. Every fable needs a victim, a villain, and a hero or helper. Please note, you may modify the characters and their roles based on the story's requirement. Step 2. Set up the story. Create the initial setting where the incident takes place. Introduce the victim and provide context for their situation. Step 3. Present the problem. Entry of the villain who will create a conflict or challenge for the victim to overcome. Step 4. Offer a solution. Here's where the hero or the helper comes in. They will assist the victim in resolving the problem and achieving victory. Step 5. Conclude with a moral. Share a powerful lesson or moral that the readers can take away from the story, guiding them towards making better choices in life. So this is a 5-step formula to write a good fable. To make your fable stories even more compelling, consider the following techniques. Number 1. Strong characters. Develop memorable characters that readers can relate to, root from, or learn from. Number 2. Dialogue. Bring your story to life with engaging conversations between characters. This adds depth and interest to the narrative. And number 3. Descriptive language. Incorporate descriptive adjectives, adverbs, and phrases to paint vivid imagery and create a captivating atmosphere. For examples, words like wise, brave, slowly, carefully, or phrases like once upon a time can add charm to your fable. Now, let me share with you a heartwarming story passed down to me by my grandmother. The title of the story is A Mother's Promise and a Brave Calf's Sacrifice. Once upon a time, in a forest, a cow was peacefully grazing on the grass. After finishing her meal in one area, she moved to another to continue eating. Suddenly, a gigantic lion appeared and pounced on the cow, trapping her in its powerful claws. As the cow realized she hadn't fed her calf that day, she became deeply concerned, knowing how disheartened her calf would be. With a tremble in her voice, she pleaded with the lion.
Dear lion, I beg of you, please release me today. My calf has not had any milk, and it would break its little heart. I promise to return tomorrow, and you may feast upon me then.
Moved by the cow's plea, the lion relented and released her. She hurriedly made her way home, arriving in the evening. The cow recounted the entire incident to her calf, urging it to drink as much milk as possible. She explained,
I have made a promise to the lion that I will return tomorrow. It may be the end for me then, but You must grow strong.
The following morning, the cow and her calf ventured into the same forest, contentedly munching on the grass. Suddenly, the lion reappeared, ready to capture the cow once more. However, the brave little calf stepped forward, placing itself between the lion and its mother. With utmost sincerity, the calf addressed the lion, saying, "Dear lion, I implore you to consume me first, before you lay a paw on my mother." The lion was taken aback by the calf's courageous sacrifice. Intrigued, the lion asked, "Where did you acquire such profound wisdom, young one?" The calf replied with unwavering devotion, "My mother has bestowed upon me all her knowledge." At that moment, the lion experienced a profound realization. Touched by the cow's love for her offspring and the calf's selfless sacrifice, the lion decided to let them go. It escorted them safely home, presenting the mother with a shawl and calf with toys as tokens of its newfound respect and admiration. We can draw valuable teachings from each character. The cow exemplifies unparalleled love for her child and importance of keeping promises even in the challenging situations. The lion demonstrated forgiveness and the power of trust. Despite its initial aggression, it chooses to believe in cow's words and grant her another chance. The calf showcases profound love for its mother and the willingness to sacrifice itself for her well being. It symbolizes selflessness and the lengths one can go to protect those they care about. These moral lessons remind us of the strength of love, forgiveness, trust, and sacrifice in our own lives. I hope you found the story helpful. Please do comment your feedback in the comment section. I will share these feedbacks with my grandmother. Now, let's analyze this story based on the 5-step formula we discussed earlier. Number 1. Define the characters. Who is the victim here? The cow is the victim. Who is the villain? The lion is the villain. And who is the hero? The calf is the hero here. Number 2. Setup. The cow is peacefully grazing in the grass in a forest. Number 3. Problem. Suddenly, the lion came to eat the cow. Number 4. Solution. The calf came and changed the mindset of lion. The cow got victory from the lion with the help of calf. Number 5. Moral lessons. Love, forgiveness, trust and sacrifice. So, in this way, we applied the 5 steps with a practical example. Now, it's time for you to practice. I will provide you with 3 characters. A mouse as the victim, a cat as the villain, and a monkey as the hero or helper. Draft your own story based on these characters and share in the comment. I will be waiting for your story. I hope you would have written a story. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this lesson. We learned what is a fable story, the 5-step formula to write a captivating fable, techniques to enhance your stories, and we have explored an example story. Plus, you have an exciting exercise to practice. Thanks a lot for watching. If you found the video helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more engaging content. Until next time, and happy storytelling. Goodbye.